In this video, I'm going to explain the alcohol portion of our food exchange. Our carbohydrate in the form of dairy, fruit, and grains don't operate the same as alcohol does. However, in this life that we live, alcohol is a part of our lifestyle, and we want to make sure that people have an idea of how to control that, and then it allows us to have a speaking engagement around that. If we didn't put alcohol into our food exchange, we've found over time that people don't want to talk about it. And at the end of the day, we want to make sure that people have all the liberty to be able to speak to us as coaches in the area of anything they're consuming, including alcohol. So in here, I want you to understand what the carbohydrates are based on the food exchange itself. So if we look at a beer, typically a can of beer, a bottle of beer, more on the light side, but in the same perspective, we'll treat each beer the same. One can or bottle is 1C. 1 pint then would be 2 carb serving. Wine, 4 ounces would be a carb, and 1 glass, typically the glass I would drink from, would be a 2C. Spirits, 1 ounce is 1C. So if I have a vodka and I have, or rum and a Diet Coke, my 1 ounce of rum would be a 1C and my Diet Coke would be a 0C. So that altogether would be a 1 carb. And if you look at from a full sugar Coke, again, we treat that as each can as a 2C. It's a sugar drink. It's got sugar in it, so that's a 2 carb serving. So if I have a rum and regular Coke, now I'm sitting at a 3C. That's what that means. Anytime you look further down, as the concentration of the alcohol increases in the area of quantity, for example, a highball being a single or a double or a martini, daiquiri, margarita, that's where they start to add sugar and also add more alcohol, so it gets more concentrated. So just be aware of what you're drinking and then what the corresponding carbohydrate is with it.